this is Jack Huxley. I'm putting a video on YouTube for you niggas who want to know what I'm doing when I'm at home. Okay? Okay. This is Mees.com. That's my little person. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all my little person. That's my little cartoon character, alright? So let's show y'all what else I do at home. Gotta be the Xbox 360. You know. TV coming on. I was playing Halo 3. Or I decide to have a money fall. I just play the blue PSP. If else, I'll pull a couple of cords out of my little bag. Can't see it because it's dark. Have on my Gucci belt, the steering wheel. I'll just walk around the house with a t-shirt on and a Young's cap on a backpack. So what do you do when you get hungry? Let me show y'all. You walk down the hall and you turn, and then you turn. Then you go to your refrigerator. You see nothing in there. Nothing to eat. So then you close the refrigerator. And you go in here. What's in here? Crackers and stuff. You already know what it is. What else? Some chicken. I be eating that shit every day. But that's what I do when I get bored. Let me show y'all what else I do when I get bored. It's gonna be a little dark, alright? So let me turn on the mid.